again. See you again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are installing the DG Motorsports race hardtop in carbon fiber on John's NC. So let's just jump straight into it. You have to undo the bolts in the soft top latch, which John is just demonstrating so wonderfully. And then it comes with new hardware and whatnot to put the hardtop on. So same for these as well as these ones.
I think everything on this car is stripped from factory. It's driving me nuts.
It would make sense. It's a Ford product. Okay, so the top comes with hardware and little latches. These ones specifically, they go on the sides here, and then there's some for the front and then some for the back. So we're just gonna install the ones for the back on the top, put the top on, and then we'll install the rest. Okay, so John got the little latches on the back of the top, and there's like a little pointy side, and you match them up to the silver one that has like a little bit of a point on the back. Looks pretty good. Lining up well so far. Okay, we have the rear bolts in. Pretty easy to do so far. Fingers crossed. We did tilt the front up a little bit just to get this closer to start these, but they're still loose enough to shift around. Next up, doing the front latches.
The worst part.
Yeah, it really is. This is the hardest part.
If you can do this, you can do anything. Bolts come stripped from factory, not from the hardtop, but from Mazda. Except not on mine.
No, yours was good.
Mine was fine. I'm just struggling because I'm struggling. There you go. It's gonna be a rough build if this is going this way.
So once you get these done, these are kind of the trickiest ones. The easiest ones are the ones that go right over here. Those are super easy to do whenever, but the trickiest is really getting these in as well as the back ones. It kind of takes two people, and you have to push the front of the top forward with somebody, pull it back to get these lined up. So it's really a two-person job, and it's just a lot of pushing and pulling. And as you can see, there is still a ton of visibility. The window's absolutely massive back here, so you are definitely not losing out on visibility. Arguably, you are gaining more than you have with the soft top, so definitely would recommend. Top seals super nice up top, so it looks absolutely gorgeous here. To be completely honest with you, I really love the carbon fiber with this color. Hello, assistant. I think it looks really good. I hope this at least helps you a little bit. Sorry, I don't have the best advice, but being fiberglass and carbon parts, it's really just a part of it to have to shimmy these around to get them to fit. I mean, that was the same with my S2000, and it's been the same with other tops I've had similar, so it's just a part of it with these. But once it's on there, it seals super well, especially the side latches. As soon as you get those side latches on, it snugs down absolutely beautifully, and the front looks gorgeous. I could not recommend this top enough. I think it's beautiful. would recommend. And just a big shout out to David Green at DG Motorsports. He has been absolutely wonderful to work with. He's been on the phone with both John and I personally, and he is so nice and such a pleasure. So would definitely recommend the hardtop. I think it looks great. I actually really love the color combo. We were discussing getting the top painted for his car, but I actually really like the carbon with the red, though this car won't forever be the maroon red color. But as of right now, I think it actually has a really nice contrast. What do you guys think? You think we should paint it? I don't know. I'm on the fence because I do love a full color match, but I also really do love carbon. As you guys know, I kept my S2000 carbon, so I don't know. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.